This is the CLEANOMIC bottle wash tablets that the brand sent me to review and try. It does come in this really cute packaging, and each tablet is individually wrapped in a nice paper wrapper. The reason I'm super excited for this is because we use a lot of water bottles over time. They get gunky, they get filmy. Some of them, if we put in things such as electrolytes, can even get moldy. So I am really excited. I put the tablet in. You can see it's starting to fizz. It's going to take a little while to dissolve. So I just fill up my water bottle and let it sit in the sink. After about 10 minutes or so was dissolved, but I let it sit for a couple of hours. When I washed out this bottle, let me tell you, this was the cleanest ever. It smelled good, fresh, almost as new. Such a success. And this is not something that you need to use daily, but once every couple of washes, and it will renew your bottles. So amazing. So for your Stanley, for any other bottle that you just want to give a really good cleanup, these are clean ingredients, and let me tell you, they work. Highly recommend. It does come with this really, really cute tin that they go into, and you can just put them into your cabinet or any closet or even leave it on the counter. Really nice, aesthetically pleasing.